we've got this H7450 New Holland Discbine, and what happened was the bearing went out of this drive, this side of the drive. You can see it's just beating around in there. I had to get done mowing, so I took the drive shaft off and just put a couple washers in there and let it dry from the other side. It was just second crop, light hay, so wasn't too bad. Not ideal, but made it so we could keep mowing without destroying everything. So now we're gonna try to get that bearing fixed. Got to pull the shield work off the top, and then we'll take the shaft right out the top. It needs a new belt on anyway. That swung around and beat everything up and broke before we caught it. So we'll pull the covers off. It's got all these bolts that go around. There's one out. We'll pull her apart. One nice thing New Holland did is made this a module so you could take it right out, then I can just torch it right off. So I'm just gonna take these 4 bolts out and that whole assembly should come right out. That'll be nice. All right, we got her out. Now I'm just gonna take the torch and cut down through here, put the new bearing on, clean it all up good. That's how she came out though, not too bad. There we go, we got the old bearing off. And just cut it twice, cut it on 2 sides. Just be careful not to just do anything with the shaft. So no worries there. Luckily, you can kind of tell when you're cutting when the outside one is melted and the inside one's not. It takes more heat to hit the inside one because the outside bearing part is already hot when you're running the torch. So you just stop when you get to the shaft. Okay, we use the wire wheel, got everything cleaned up. Slid the lock collar up. I forgot to buy one, so we're gonna have to reuse the old one. Not ideal, but everything's cleaned up good. Got the bearing, 1 3/8, pretty standard bearing. Gotta remember to put the lock collars on, or the collars on first. I've forgotten to do that before. Feel like a nice, good winner when you do stuff like that. You gotta take the bearing back off, so we're gonna try to do that first this time. I don't know what I was thinking. Of course, the new bearing comes with a new lock collar, so we're gonna put a new one in. So anyway, that's the way she'll go up like this onto the shaft. Okay, we got the bearing set in there, tightened down good. We didn't hook up the grease lines. I'll just grease it by hand. It's okay, not the end of the world. So anyway, I gotta tighten up these bolts yet up on top, and then hook up the drive shaft down here. Okay, it's obviously got dark on me, but I got this put back together. 4 bolts in the bottom, the accelerator piece that goes through, put a new grease zerk on it, grease everything up nice, and that part's back together. See, everything's greased up good here. Now I just got to put the belt on. Got it right here. Got all the covers off. It only takes a second to do that, or 2 minutes or something. So put her back together here. So I was just able to walk that belt right back on there. So we're all put back together. Throw the covers on it and we'll be able to mow in the morning. All right, she's all put together, ready to mow. Thanks for watching.